take the long way home if it meant I'd go walking by your door. Together we could see where the road will lead to the unknown. There is no end if you believe. Just take my hand and come with me. Oh, you're like the sun coming up. You make my world come alive. Oh, you know I can't get enough. You walking by my side. You are my sunshine. In the song I sing, you're the melody, you're my golden glow. I see it in your eyes, you radiate the light that leads me home. There is no end if you believe. Just take my hand and come with me. Oh, you're like the sun coming up. You make my world come alive. Oh, you know I can't get enough. You walking by my side. You are my sunshine. Oh, sunshine. Oh, there is no end if you believe. Just take my hand and come with me.
I'm gonna let you. Yeah.
Oh, you're like the sun coming up. You make my world come alive. Oh, you know I can't get enough. You are my sunshine. Oh, you're like the sun coming up. You make my world come alive. Oh, you know I can't get enough. You walking by my side. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine.
When we met, I had no idea that boy crawling into a manhole for his dad's snap-on breaker bar would not only become my best friend, but the love of my life. From friends to falling in love, you have always been there for me. You have picked me up more times than I can count. Without hesitation, without judgment, you have always stood by me. In the last 6 years, we have been through so much. We have built such a beautiful life together. We brought 2 incredible children into this world, and we have also faced unimaginable loss. Through all of the good and all of the bad that we have faced in the past and will face in the future, there is no one else I would rather have by my side. As we continue to grow in our lives together, I promise to always help you be your best self, to support you, encourage you, and challenge you. I promise to always make you laugh and to always laugh at your dad jokes. I promise to always be a long hug after a hard day. I have never been so sure of anything in my entire life. I am so ready to be your wife.
Ours are so different.
You gotta put your stuff down. I have something for you.
No rush.
She's not giving up that candy bar very easily.
You gotta put your snack down. Gotta have the snacks.
Okay, I think we're ready. Your little daughter's sure holding those flowers nicely.
Aww.
Okay. John and Kara, today is a time to pause, look back, and smile at all the wonderful memories of the life events that brought you to today.
Go, go, go!
I have found something in myself, something I did not know was there. As our friendship grew into love, you made me realize you were the one I could give it all to, the one that would make me hurt forever if we didn't walk the journey of life together. I found the woman that I love with all of my heart. Love
Yes.
is an intense feeling of deep affection. This intense feeling is with me every day. It is unwavering. It is continuously growing, and it will be with me for all future time, for always, forever, for all future time, for always. Kara, I will love you and hold you, cherish you, and make the most of every day that I am blessed with you. All the days between now and the end of eternity just don't seem like enough time with you. I will love you with all of my heart until death parts us, and then to all of eternity when death reunites us. I love you more than words can explain. I promise to love you forever and ever. This love is for you, Kara. You are my best friend, my rock, the only person I want to share the journey of life with and grow old with. I will love you through sickness and health, through dark times and light, and through any trials we face, we will face them together. I'm eternally thankful to be with you, and to love you, and to share my life with you until the end. I love you.
So now I feel like it's redundant to ask you this after hearing your vows, but I do have to ask you, these are the declaration of intent. So do you, John, take Kara to be your wife?
I do.
Do you, Kara, take John to be your husband?
I do.
Thank you. And now for the rings, if you take each other's rings.
Love, you're in my head, in my arms. I can't shake the feeling.
By the authority vested in me by the state of California, I pronounce you are husband and wife, now and forevermore. John, you may kiss your bride.
Thanking my lucky stars everywhere I go. A little bit of love makes it feel right. Little bit of love waking me up, making the sun shine. Little bit of love from up above, taking me so high. Little bit of love, can't get enough, won't you be mine? Little bit of love. Little bit of love. Fireworks in my chest every time I see her. Steal my breath, I forget everything I know. Oh, it's true what they say, love is like a fever, burning me up, turning me red, knock me off my toes. Cause what I need most is a little bit of love makes it feel right. Little bit of love waking me up, making the sun shine. Little bit of love from up above, taking me so high. Little bit of love, can't get enough, won't you clear to see. A little bit of love makes it feel right. A little bit of love waking me up, making the sun shine. A little bit of love from up above, taking me so high. Little bit of love, can't get enough, won't you be mine? Love. Quiet dress, late night
You can drink some? Cheers!